pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true. You're a pal and a confidant. And if you threw a party, invited everyone you knew, you would see the biggest gift would be from me, and the card
Freedom Panthers. My name is Sebastian.
And my name is Don.
And here's your Panther Nation news for Wednesday, August 18, 2021. This year, the Freedom Middle School Drama Club will be presenting Peter Pan as our fall play. Any students interested in auditioning should plan to attend a brief information session today after school from 4 to 5. For more information, see Ms. Crawford or Ms. DeLong.
The first meeting before school from 9 to 9:25 in the Media Center Monday, August 30.
Middle school does not have enough players to have a girls soccer team at the moment. We need at least 10 more players to join in order to have a team. If you would like to join the team, please report to the gym after school today. See Mr. Desmond or Mr. Feigenbaum with any questions.
I don't know. Let's ask them.
Let's go.
Today's lunch is chicken bowl, cheese pizza, cheeseburger, hamburger, and PBJ.
Good morning, Freedom Panthers. Today's weather is going to be a high of 93, a low of 77, and there will be a 40% chance of thunderstorm. Have a great day.
Where we test you on your Marvel knowledge. Today's question is, how many Infinity Stones are there? So, the question for you today is, how many Infinity Stones are there? 6. The question for you today is, how many Infinity Stones are there? 6. Our question for you is, how many Infinity Stones are there? 2. So, our question for you today is, how many Infinity Stones are there? 6. Yep. Our question for you today is, how many Infinity Stones are there?
6.
That's all for today's Marvel Moments, everyone. Stay tuned next week for our next segment.
Welcome to your Daily Dad Joke. Today's Daily Dad Joke is, I was wondering why the baseball came closer, and then it hit me.
Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday to you.
your news for today, Freedom Panthers. As always, go Panthers, go Pride.